Alright guys, so we're still working on this 2019 Kia Optima S, and we're going to be replacing the fog lights now. This uses a 9006 bulb. Even for this small projector style, it still uses a halogen 9006, okay? So what you're going to be doing here to get to the actual fog light, you can't access it through the wheel well panel or cover. You actually have to go from the under of the bumper, okay? So you're going to have to remove the liner on the bottom, the undercarriage cover, and it's held on by a couple 10 millimeters that will hold the liner in there. So it'll be going in these holes right here. There's going to be two that connect to the mud flaps in the back, and then they'll be all around the edge, okay? Once you remove those, your liner would just fall like this, okay? It'll just drop. Don't press any pressure here in the center because it's still held on by a clip over here somewhere in the middle. So that's all you need. You don't need to go any more further, but if you really need to remove it, make sure you take off that clip so like that you don't damage it. It'll be right down the center line, okay? So with this, you can actually go down now, and you'll be able to see the actual fog light, which is right here, the bulb and cable. If I can pinpoint it, this one right here. Okay, so this cabling here goes to the actual bulb, and it's a push release type of cable. It's hard, so it will take some time to get this out. Just take your time, and you should be able to get it out, okay? You can see this right here, you gotta press it, but it's very hard. So take your time, don't just pull on it, don't break it. At that point, you can now remove your bulb because you can't twist the bulb without disconnecting it because there's a little stopper thing on the side. I don't know why they added that, but it just makes things more difficult. But once you disconnect the cable, the bulb can be twisted off, okay? And it's a 9006, not sure if you can see that. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing our LD 9006, which are the switchbacks. We already got these connected, so they should be ready to go. Just gonna make sure the little locking ring is all the way in and it's locked. There it is. And pretty much what you want to do here on the bulb itself, there's a plus and minus, so you can know what's positive, what's negative. And on this vehicle, usually you separate them by the bright colors, but as you can see, this one has a green and blue. So I'm going to assume the green is power, but we'll find out right now. Okay, so let's line it up to the positive. Connect it, and now we're gonna light it up to make sure we actually got it correct.
Nope.
Okay, so that means I am wrong. So the blue one will be your power and the green will be your negative. So as you can see, that's correct. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off real quick. All right, so we know this is working. We can continue to install now. So let's get in there. There you go. So the way this thing that's right here that holds, I think it's a radiator support, not sure, I can't really see it, but it's kind of curves inwards and then curves outward, not inwards, how do I say it? It curves out as you go to the center. So here at this edge, it's actually kind of close to the bumper itself, so it's kind of difficult to get the bulb from this direction. But if you go from the inner side, which is over here on my left, you can actually enter with no problem, okay? So then at that point, line it up, lock it just like that, and you're done. So what you're gonna do next with this is, so you don't have it just dangling everywhere, we're gonna get a zip tie, find a convenient spot to tie it to so it's not just rattling everywhere. and we're done with the installation. You'll be doing the same procedure for the other side. So just let me put this here for now so we can light them up and show you how they look compared to the halogen. Alright, so there you have it, guys. By default, it'll always start white, and if you turn off the lights and turn it back on, it'll switch. It'll go to a halogen yellow, then it'll go to the golden yellow, and your SOS signal. So we're going to continue, finish the other side, and then show you how it looks in the end. We've completed the whole front. So we got the fog lights installed with the LD 9006. Okay. So these are the switchbacks. If you can have them please switch. Fog light. Okay. Again. Again. And one more time. There you go. So this is the 4-function LD series. That's what the customer wanted. And then we're going to activate the turn signals. Okay. Left. There you have it. Okay. Right. Okay. Emergency. And then above, we got the headlights replaced as well. We got the low beams with the 9005, and we got the high beams as well with the 9005. Okay, high beam. There we go. The turn signal are the 1156 and the T series. So these have the built-in resistors. Alright guys, so that's the whole front completed. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. And we'll catch you on the next video.